Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to draw 3D pose for a 2D image using Vision Kit in native iOS application. So let's get started. So I have this button, and on click of this button it will open the image picker for us. So here I will select one image, and here you can see at the top it is displaying the original image, and at the bottom it is drawn the 3D pose for us. Like I can rotate it. There is one issue with it, like the rotation is wrong. I don't know why. I have just followed whatever has been given in the docs, but if you know, do let me know in the comments. And here I am rotating it by my finger, that's why you are able to see something like this. So I'll just pick one more image just to show it to you. Okay, so I think the first one is not getting cleared out, so I'll quickly run the application again. I'll select this image. Here you can see the 3D pose is little weird. I mean, the rotation is, I think, wrong, but I couldn't figure it out. If you know, do let me know in the comments. So let's see how to do this. I have created a native iOS application using UI Kit, but if you want, you can use Swift UI as well. First thing which I have done is that inside info.plist I have just added this photo library usage description permission. Then I have created one Swift file, and to be completely honest with you, I have just copy pasted this code from the documentation. Even I don't really understand it, so I'll simply scroll through this. If you want, you can just copy paste the code wherever you feel like. Pause the video and copy paste the code. So I'm simply scrolling through this. Okay, once that is done, inside our view controller I have added all these imports, and then I'm also extending PHP view controller delegate. Here I have created our SCN view scene, then this human body skeleton renderer, then our UI image view, as well as one button. I have created this PHP configuration as well. File URL is empty, and here is our VN body pose 3D observation as well. Here we are setting up our views. So this is how like all the image views, scene views, all that stuff. Click listener for our button. Then here we are setting up our constraints for all this image view, button, as well as our scene view. Then on click of the button we are first checking for permission. If the permission is granted, then we just call this self.pick photo. If you see here, we are just picking, allowing the user to pick photo. Once the user picks a photo, we just get the selected item. Here we get the identifier, so we get the ph asset and run this particular method, which I will show you shortly. And here we get the UI image out of it and just display it inside our image view. This again I don't know what this is, but I have just copy pasted it from documentation. Here we get the asset file from URL, and here we run the particular method which I have shown you on our ph asset. Again, I'm not really sure. I've just copy pasted it from the documentation. So yeah, and the last method is connect node to parent. Again, I am not sure what about this, as well as this update line code. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.